Hello my dear students, welcome to science class. Today I will be discussing chapter number 11 and the name of the chapter is the earth. The name of the chapter is the earth. So earth, we are going to talk about earth, okay. So the earth is like a big ball. The earth is like a big ball. It is round in shape, okay. So then why does it seems flat? So why do we see flats? How can you have a question? You may have a question in your mind that round, if it is round, if the earth is round, then how we are standing on the earth? Why does it seems flat? Okay, why? Without the flatness you cannot stand on the earth, right? Without the flat surface you cannot stand. If it is round, if it is round you cannot stand, okay. So how we are standing? Why does it seems flat? Okay, you may have this question in your mind, okay. So let me clarify it, okay. It seems flat because we see only a part of it, only a part of it we are seeing, okay. That's why it seems flat. The picture below will help, okay. Page number 56, you take page number 56 and you see here, this is the earth. Imagine this ball is the earth, okay. So in this one part you take it out, one part you take and zoom it out, okay. So you see this is a flat surface, flat one, okay. It doesn't look like round, okay. So that surface looks like flat. That is the reason we can stand, whether it is a round, but we are staying in a particular region, okay. So in this earth, on the earth, no, if you take particular area, that is a flat, okay. That's why we are able to stand, and because of the gravitation also we are able to stand on the surface of the earth surface looks flat, okay. So how can we be sure that earth is round? Now another question may come to your mind that how can we say that the earth is round like a big ball, okay. So people have taken pictures of earth from spacecraft, okay. The spacecraft, people have taken the pictures from the spacecraft. Those who go outside the space with a spacecraft, they took the pictures of earth. On that picture they have seen the shape of earth is round, okay. The earth looks round in these pictures, okay. The pictures which took from the spacecraft, okay. Spacecraft is a spacecraft, you went with a spacecraft and in the space, on the space, and you took the picture of a earth, okay. Now land and water. The part of the earth where we live is called land. The part of the earth, okay, where we live, where we stand, where we walk, okay. So that part is said to be a land. Of course, I cannot walk in the water, okay, right? So I can swim in the water only. So the part of land where we can stand, where we can live, okay, that part is said to be a land, okay. That is a solid, okay. So the rest of the earth is covered by water. Other than the land, other than the land part on the earth, the rest are covered with water. The water covered parts are called oceans. The water covers the parts of the earth is said to be oceans, okay. You have seen big oceans, okay. Salty water are flowing on the oceans, okay. So the part which the earth's part which is covered with water, that is said to be an ocean, okay. So the ocean cover much more of earth than land, okay. Compared to the land part, ocean part is more, okay, on this earth, okay. So most of the parts are covered with water compared with the land, okay. So most of the earth parts are full of water and that is said to be an ocean, okay. Actually there is land under the ocean too, we do not see it, okay. So there is land under the ocean, okay. You can see in the picture sometimes, no, nearby, ocean pictures in the geography channels, wildlife channels. If you open out, you can see the swimmers dive inside the oceans and the side parts they take, no. You can see the sand and land, okay, under the water, okay. Deep inside they cannot go, deep inside the water they cannot go, but somewhat deep, okay, minimum level they can go, and they to take the pictures, okay, with the camera. You can see the sand, the land are present, okay, which we cannot see. With the help of pictures only we can watch it out, okay. So This is a globe. So this one is a globe. Page number 57 you take. This is a picture of a globe. It is a model of the earth. Okay. So the globe is a model of the earth. It is not earth, but it is a model of the earth. Okay. How our earth seems to be. Okay. It is presented in the globe. Okay. So that means it is made to look like the earth. The blue part is water and the rest is land. So in a globe, if you take the globe, the blue parts, different colors you will see. Okay, the forest parts are represented by green color. The land parts are represented by brown color and that blue colors. Okay, so in a globe you can see most of the parts are filled with blue color. That blue parts are said to be a water parts. Okay, that blue parts represents oceans. Okay, water parts. Rocks and soil. Land is made of rocks and soil. Obviously the land is made up of solid particles, that is rock and soil. When rock break into tiny pieces, they form soil. Rocks are not a tiny pieces, rocks are big. Okay, solid materials. Okay, solid particles, big solid particles are said to be a rock. Okay, when it gets break down into a tiny small pieces, okay, that forms a soil. Okay, soil you can see very fine. Okay, so that forms a soil and that is said to be the breakdown of a rock into a tiny particles is said to be a soil. Rock are made of different kinds. We dig out rocks that are useful to us. Marble is a beautiful hard rock. Have you heard about the name of marble? Okay, so marble is a beautiful hard rock. Okay, so this is one type of rock. Okay, granite, chalk, all these things are types of rocks. Okay, so one of them is a marble and it is very hard. Okay, it is very hard. So we use it to make the floor of houses, some old churches, mosques, temple and other buildings are made of marble. Okay, so though marble is very hard, okay, so it is used for making many buildings. Okay, Taj Mahal, example you can take Taj Mahal present in Agra, that is made of marble stones. Okay, marble, so with a very hard rock. Okay, many church, many mosques, many temples, many buildings are made up of marble rocks. Okay, so as I already said, the different types of rocks are there. One of them I said you marble, the hardest rock. Okay, so another one is granite. Granite, sandstone and slate are also used for making buildings. These types of rocks are also used for making buildings. What type of rock? That is the granite, sandstone and slate. Okay, this type of rocks are also used for making buildings. These are also very hard. Slate is used to make blackboard too. Okay, so slate not only with the help of slate rock you can make a building. It is used to make the blackboard. Okay, so this is a whiteboard. Okay, so like this in the schools, in other schools you can find out the blackboard black in color. Okay, so that is made up of slate rocks. So sandstone can be of many colors. So sandstones, okay, this is a type of a rock. This is another type of a rock. Okay, it can be a many colors. Some are quite reddish color, some are quite yellowish, some are brownish color. It can be of different colors. Sandstones can be of different colors. Graphite, chalk and talc are soft rocks. Okay, still now I told you about the hard rocks. Okay, now graphite, chalk and talc, all these things are very soft rocks. Okay, soft rocks. Graphite is mixed with clay to make the lead of pencils. Okay, pencil, obviously as a student you use pencil. In fact even I also use pencil sometimes if I need to tick something. Okay, so everyone use pencil. So inside the pencil, have you seen that one grayish color? You cannot say it is a full black in color, like grayish color. That is grayish color pencil lead is made up of what? Graphite. Okay, it's made up of graphite. Okay, so you write with the pencil, no? With the tip of that pencil, you write whatever you want. Okay, so that grayish color lead is made up of graphite rock. Okay, so talc is used to make talcum powder. You use powder, no, to become, to make your skin smooth, to become white, beautiful. You use powders, no, that is made up of talc. Okay, talc rock, that is talcum powder you say. The coal we use for lighting fires is also a kind of rock, the coal. Have you heard about the coal? Black in color, okay? That is used for, lighting fires, is also a kind of a rock, okay? So it is dug out from under the ground. Coal dug out from under the ground. Under the ground only we dig the ground and we get the coal, black in color. Diamond, obviously most of the, especially girls, okay? So like diamond, okay? So diamonds are used for making beautiful jewelries, okay? Emerald, ruby, all these are stones, okay? Are made of other stones we used to make jewelry, are also rocks, okay? So diamond, ruby, emerald, all these stones are also rock, and we use these stones to make our beautiful jewelries, okay? So we call them gems. Have you heard about the name of gemstones? Okay, so these are all the gemstones: diamond, emerald, ruby, then sapphires. All these things are stones, okay, which is used for making jewelry. So here ends the discussion of this chapter. If you have any question, any doubt, take the phone with the help of your parents, dial my number and make a call to get it clarified with your doubts between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Thank you.